Hi everyone, this is Sergey from Sirius, Russia, and I just wanted to show installation we have done some months ago in this house. So it has two FS3's filters, one for the cold line coming into the whole house, and one on the hot water line coming into the whole house for the showers, for the washing machines, for the dishwashing machine. So everywhere good quality water is presented. And here you can see that it has on the drain valves, it has a hose, so you just once every month or so you open it up, flush out any sediment, dirt inside of the filter, and then you close it back. So you can see they go down there to the wastewater. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If there's any questions, please let us know. We'll be happy to hear from you. Have a great day.